The following is our peach hut designs for a 1, 2, 3 or 4 bedroom dwelling. Our 1 bedroom unit, which has 50 square metres of living space with a 16.5 square metre front deck. Our 2 bedroom economy unit that has 66.5 square metres of living space with a 16.5 square metre front deck. Our flagship building, which has 2 bedrooms but lots of living space of 83 square metres with a 33 square metre front deck. And finally we have a 3 or 4 bedroom dwelling of 116 square metres of living space with a 33 square metre front deck. All bathroom toilets come with wheelchair and disability access. Kitchens can be made to suit people with disabilities. A regulation-compliant ramp can be provided for all buildings. The following are the 4 elevations for our standard 2-bedroom dwelling. The building sequence is as shown in the following diagrams. Full-sized MgO magnesium oxide boards are used exclusively for the cladding, both inside and outside, for floors, walls, ceilings and soffites. The air can be easily circulated up through the walls via a vented skirting board. Once the air has travelled up the walls, through the raked ceiling and into the ceiling cavity, it can be either expelled outside in warm weather or recirculated back inside the rooms in cooler temperatures. This is a general view into the interior of the standard 2-bedroom dwelling from the front door. Internal walls are flush finished. External walls are texture coated.